everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolute baby doll, 1964 Pontiac Bonneville convertible with 15,000 actual miles. Killer car. This is actually the second time I've owned this car. I originally bought this car. Matter of fact, a good friend of mine out of Florida, I bought the car in Florida, and a good friend of mine actually knew the complete history on this car. He sold this car, I think he said it was in the 90s, when this car originally, I guess two brothers had a huge Pontiac convertible collection with all cars that were very low mileage, and they sold their collection off. And he was the actual one who handled all that for him. So he knew the history on this car since the 90s. It's had a couple owners since then, but it is 15,000 original miles on it. This is the factory color combination. Now the car has had a repaint. I think the jams are original, but they did repaint the car. It's Silvermist, metallic, gorgeous color. It does have all the original interior in it. Just a baby doll of a car, guys. It is stunning. It's got all the original T3 headlights. There may be a little dust on this thing because I'm rushing the guys because we got cars coming in like crazy. But I barely gave him time to wipe this thing off. But just a killer car. Chrome and stainless is beautiful. The paint is gorgeous. Rock solid body. Again, 15,000 original miles. The original Pontiac mirror. Yeah, see, it's not their fault, that's mine. We missed a little dust on it. Factory black interior. Black convertible top. I'll post some pictures of it as well. But just a gorgeous car, man. If you're looking for a Pontiac convertible, this one is going to be tough to beat, guys. Love the tail lights. The gentleman I originally bought this car from actually wrote a little letter. We actually put it back in the trunk. Yeah, that's the one little thing. It's got a couple little, I think they did this in the bumper. They touched that bumper. It's got a little mark on it, put a little chip in the paint. But other than that, you'd just be nitpicking this car. This car is gorgeous. But he wrote a letter kind of explaining a little history on it while he had it. He just completely went through the top. I can't remember what else. Maybe the brakes. The brakes are all new too. And that stuff was done in, I think, 2000. What a gorgeous car. Wide whites with the factory 8 lugs. And this thing runs and drives outstanding. Original 389, you know, basically bone stock. I know that they have put the hardened valve seats on it so it runs on pump gas. But stock intake, exhaust manifolds, air conditioning. Said he just went through the air, I think in 2000 as well. Power steering, power brakes. Yeah, you can see he must have went through the brakes. He's got new brake lines and stuff like that. Factory automatic trans. And all the running gear is all original. Gorgeous car. Original fender mirror. Look how nice everything is. I mean, this thing's just a sweetheart. Original door handles. Again, I believe this paint in here is actually original. You can see it's got the, they left the oil change stickers on it to document the miles. Power windows, all the power windows work. Original carpet, original power seat. Power top, it goes up and down great again. All the windows work. Original seats. Look at the factory steering wheel. 15,633 miles. It's got the speed sensor on it. Factory AM/FM radio. I think everything in here works. The clock is the one thing he said. He said it did work. He said it just stopped working. Stock exhaust, factory rear axle, again, just like it would have came out. All powder coated here in the trunk. Again, there's a letter, original owner's manual, spares in here. That's for your 8 lugs. What a just sweetheart. Fit and finish is excellent. And like I say, it just rides and drives like new. Door seams are nice and clean. And this stuff's original. Look how nice it is. And again, I believe it came out of a collection where everything these guys had was like this. Just low mileage Pontiacs. Look how nice that dash is. That dash in this car, these cars are just works of art. Love them. Fires right up, turn the key, just purrs like a kitten. I mean, just great car. Great car. Make it kick your air on, makes it, the air blows cold. God, it's a beautiful car, man. Fuel gauge works. Battery gauge works. Again, all your blower motor and everything all functions. That's a bug if you're seeing that. Backup lights work. Outstanding car, guys. Yep, it works. Speaker in the rear. What a great car. Killer, killer car. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us.